Yes, people, welcome to a new video. And in this video, we're gonna show you how to fix Spotify Wrapped not working. And if you want to fix it, we're gonna do a couple of fixes that hopefully fix your Spotify Wrapped. Well, the first thing is, it's now 29th of November and Spotify Wrapped is online right now for me in the Netherlands. But if you're living in another country, it can be sure Spotify comes with Wrapped for your country a little bit later. Yes, so what you can do, the first thing, you go to your Apple App Store, you tap it and you tap on, you search for Spotify. Well, we search for Spotify and then you see open. If there is an update, you can't open it, but you have to update it first. So, well, what I see right now is I see my Wrapped. You see your stories, your feed. You can go to Wrapped at the right top, at the top menu. You can see your 2023 Wrapped is ready. If it's not ready, again, please make sure you update your right Spotify version. What you can, people commenting, what you can do right now also is you can tap the icon and you can remove the app and install the app again. That would be helpful. Yes, if it's not that helpful, you can wait till Wrapped is coming out in your country. Yes, hope that helps you a little bit. Enjoy your future Wrapped on Spotify and see you in the next one. Yes, thank you. Bye-bye.